Hello, Priory students and parents and teachers. It's Mr. Latimer back again. I was so happy to hear that many of you sang along with the first video that I posted last week, so I thought, let's do it again. Here we are in my piano room, and I feel even more at home today because I have the assembly folder, and frankly, I really missed setting up that microphone every Tuesday, Friday morning. So I brought it here with me today just so the sound is a little bit better and it'll help you sing along. I was so happy to hear that many of you sang along with me last week. And so when I play this song today, I know for sure that there's going to be a lot of you singing along, and that helps me out quite a bit. So today's song is going to be You, Caring Community. Friendly school is small but strong. We try our best to get along. The Priory Family believes in you. The golden rule is the key. It opens doors for you and me. Here we find the courage to try something new. Happy children learn the best. So come inside and be our guest. We are filled with empathy, a caring community. Notre école a un bon cœur, blanc et vert sont nos couleurs. Here we stand tall to show our Priory pride. Teachers here inspire minds. We never leave our friends behind, exploring and discovering the world outside. Happy children learn the best, so come inside and be our guest. We are filled with empathy, a caring community. A caring community. Thank you for listening, and thank you for continuing to be a caring community. See you next week.